Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I have my second Walmart beauty box. I would have never filmed the first one, but lately they've been like weeks or to a month apart. I didn't think they would be days apart. So this is my 2022 spring box, and right there it has V15 on it. I think the other one was V6. So this is the box. And I just literally popped the plastic off, and this is the inside. This technically is a free box each season. This is a seasonal box, and you pay shipping of $7, $6.99, $7, something like that. This is a little sneak peek into this box. I think this one, so far, ooh, way better than my first one. So this theme for the spring box is Beauty for All. And I always leave a click and go link in my description box so you can go directly to Walmart to get their beauty box. You take a little profile, like style quiz, so that maybe you get things that are appropriate for you. You get 5 items, samples, full sizes, 4 seasons, 4 boxes. I love it, love it, love it. And I've been getting this probably since they started. And this was years before I even thought about YouTube. So now the last couple seasons, we've been getting a little card with at least some information on it. So let's just see, some things are not going to be on this card because it says, don't see your oops, let's get that. You know, they're just putting products in, maybe off card, which I don't mind. And I don't see this on my card. Let me see. No. So this is from Milani, Make It Last Matte Finishing Spray. Love it. I think I did get a sample a while ago, and it is nice. This is sealed, so I'm going to leave it sealed. Let's just do the ones that everybody gets from Liquid IV, the Hydration Multiplier Golden Cherry. You get 6 of them in a box for $8.98. I have tried the strawberry from last box, and it was very nice. I enjoyed it. I don't mind them occasionally. The other item that we all get, which foil packs are not my favorite, but I don't mind them occasionally. This is from Covergirl, the Clean Fresh Skincare Weightless Water Cream Face Moisturizer. Full size is $14.98, so they give us enough in there to try it. I wish we would get like a small little pot so we can try it a few times. One try is not going to make me buy that, honestly. And then the other foil pack, which I did get in my other box, is from Not Your Mother's, and this is Smooth Moves Anti-Frizz Shampoo and Conditioner. Full size would be $7.74, so you get, 2 packs, and I can get 2 washes out of each one. So I will try it. That I'm okay with. These 3 items, or really even the Milani, are different from what anything says on the paper. Let me just take this out. This is not there either, which, like I said, I don't really care. I love Shea Moisture, and this is Coconut and Hibiscus Illuminating Body Lotion. Wow. So we have a body lotion. I love their shampoo and conditioner. This is nice. I'm not going to open that. I have perfume on, so I don't want anything to mess the scent up. So that's not bad. And then what do we have here? Ooh, from NYX. Fill and Fluff Eyebrow Pomade Pencil. That's not on here either. And this is clear. Okay. This is sealed, so let's unseal it. And open it up. I don't know if I have one of these. Honestly, I don't know. So this is what it looks like, the packaging. I think one end has like a, let's show this end first. Like a little tiny, this is like a brush. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a little tiny brush that you can get. And fly away hairs going in my mouth. And then this end is your clear product. You just have to warm it up. So that's almost like, whoops, just broke it. Like, we'll just get that in the box. Almost feels like a wax. Is it supposed to be like a wax? You don't know. Yeah, waxy pomade. Okay, definitely feels waxy, which I'm okay with on occasion. I am most excited for this little package. Let's open this up. And this is Revlon Color Stay Satin Ink. Obviously not on my paper. They had a Maybelline matte ink. But this is Revlon. I don't, of course it's going to be like a red. It says Rouge. Let me see. Whew. This is 022 Black Cherry. Let's see if I can open it. There is like a little seal, but I'll pull that back. I don't know if I can pull this off or not. You know what? I'm going to try. Ooh, that's dark. I'm going to have to get that right off because this is going to stain. And there that is. That is pretty. I have a wipe here. I literally took it off because I don't want purple on my hand. I have a clothing box to do, and I don't want makeup all over my hands to do that. That wouldn't be fair to them if I got makeup all over their clothes. So that's nice. I actually might be able to pull that off. Just go light and then maybe go over top with a lighter color just so that it's not so dark. But Black Cherry's not bad. Pretty nice product here from NYX. These are always nice to have. Good travel size. This is nice, and it came in a little plastic bag. The moisturizer. These I could technically, you know, do without all three of these right here. The Liquid IV and the, you know, it seems like they put them in every box. But literally, I only have one item listed. Or not even. These are items that I think most of us would get. No, the first two are Liquid IV and Covergirl. I have one item on this paper. And that is the shampoo foil pack. Everything else is not even on here. Okay. So they give you the little card. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can focus in on that, if it will. But I have nothing here in my box, which I'm fine with. I don't really care. Great little box. I think this is definitely better than my first one, so I'm happy for this. This is spring 2022, and this is box V15, if that helps anybody. Good little box to get, $7. I mean, something like this, or even this, is probably, I will try to look this up, is probably the cost of the box, if not more. I mean, they're not cheap. The Color Stay products from Revlon. Let me know what you thought about this box and even my other Walmart box. If you haven't watched that video, I'll link it down below. You can watch that one and then this one and see if you have a favorite box. This would definitely be a favorite box for me out of the two. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.